Hello and welcome everyone, MrCarMAN here, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my 300 SL R129 Project Car and how to change the engine oil and the oil filter. It's very easy, and without wasting any time, let's get started. The first thing you want to do before changing the oil is to make sure the engine is completely warmed up. So with the engine all warmed up, I'm going to remove the dipstick, clean it up, and safely place it on the side. Make sure it does not get dirty. Next, you're going to put in the tubing into the dipstick channel and push it completely down. And now I'm just going to give about 6-7 pumps to my oil extractor pump, and all the oil should start flowing out very easily and very quickly. And until the oil is draining, I'm going to just open up the engine oil cap. And then I'm going to remove the oil filter, which is located right back here behind our air filter box. With my oil filter socket, I'm going to open up the oil filter housing. So just place this on top. And once it's loose, you can remove your wrench and then just spin off the housing. And at this time, very slowly lift it up because there's going to be a lot of oil dripping out. So let it drip into the housing, and then once it stops dripping, make sure you have a rag or some cardboard or something close by where you can place your oil filter housing and the oil filter onto. And then slowly pull this oil filter out and let the oil drain out when you're pulling this out. Otherwise you're going to make a mess. With a flathead screwdriver, I'm going to remove our old O-ring and then grab my new genuine Mercedes OEM oil filter, and it's very easy to install. Here's the new oil filter, and inside here is going to be one O-ring as well as an oil drain plug washer. I'm not going to be needing the drain plug washer since we did not open up the drain plug, we just used our oil extractor pump. And then to install this, just get a little bit of oil and rub it around this O-ring. And then just install it back onto your oil filter housing. So make sure when you're installing your new oil filter housing that the writing and the labeling is facing down. So this is the side you should be seeing on top, not this side. And then screw on the oil filter housing. Now we are going to come back to our oil extractor pump and see how much oil we have taken out. My oil extractor pump is completely full, so I'm going to release the air, disconnect the tubing, and then dispose of the oil properly, and then come back, reconnect the tubing, and get any remaining oil that's left in our engine. The engine oil has finally stopped draining. I'm going to remove the tubing, reinstall the dipstick, and then add the new engine oil. And now it's time to put in my oil, which is going to be Mobil 1 0W40. My 91 300 SL takes 7.9 quarts, so that's what I've added into the engine. And now I'm going to check the oil level, start up the vehicle, take it for a quick test drive, and then come back and recheck the oil level. But that's it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this R129 SL oil change video on my project car. And if you guys want to see more videos on this 300 SL project, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and check out the playlist. I really appreciate it, and I'll catch you guys soon with another video. Thank you.